Hi everyone, I'm Hargirthi from Team VFarm. Our team has taken problem statement number 25074. It is provides a AI-powered mobile application for Kerala farmers. Let's see the comprehensive overview of our app. Our application is built on Flutter. First, we are going in farmer login, our workflow. Farmer login, our farmer will log in with their credential after signing up. After logging in, it will ask the farmers log activity screen. Farmer will log their activity. That's how we track the farmer's activity. Let's see what the log activity screen contains. A farmer log their daily activity by directly talking to the AI agent by in his native language. They use it to process what is used to process this section. The speech to text dot, which is the dot plugin and L10N localization. It's understand Malayalam and other foreign languages. It's used by provided by Google package in Flutter by using Gemini to understand the user's slang and extracting the context. Why the context is need to be extracted? Let's see. Collecting the necessary keys from the farmer input and asking the related question is very important to track their activity and get to train our AI model. Let's see the example question. So if we try to manuring cotton fields was completed today, that is the activity he tried to record. Today, we'll ask our AI will ask these questions like how much hectare were manured and what is the total cost of manure, what kind of manure is used. Let's say, keep in mind these questions are like just an example. The question will vary according to their activity of the farmers. We extracted our example for if the cotton field is manured today was completed is the request query. The keys are crop cotton. What is the crop what used with cotton and how much hectare was involved? 300 square meter. What kind of manure type was used? The organic manure. Organic manure was using compost or something like that. The total cost coverage of this activity. What kind of cost, profit or loss involved in? Example, I will put 1.7 lakhs the cost involved. By recording all these activities stored in cloud by using daywise. Daywise it will store the farmer's activity by using the activity log screen. But what will you using? Where will you using this data? Let's see about that. After the recorded the farmer's activity, the farmer activity or the past years will be stored in the cloud database. Using the farmer's activity and the keys we extracted, also using the local weather data from weather API. We are using weather API for weather data extraction. By using the weather API, we can predict where the weather, what is the live weather is happening right now. But best data, where we find the best data is buying journals and the website and a newspaper. We are extracting the data using scraping or either API. We are still finding that we are producing our own data set for that to train our ML model. We using all these three data sets, we train our ML model. ML model is a supervised learning model using random forest as a base algorithm and XGBoost for uplifting the algorithm efficiency. What will be the outcome of this processed data? The outcome will be the best practice scores. What is the best practice score AI will predict for his activities? For activities, what is the next future plan of course of action will be? Where it is what the AI will be produce the outcome for his activities. Giving proactive guidance and personalized suggestions for each farmers by their activity. Proactive guidance for future predictive analysis. By using the predictive analysis by his activity, can be able to give a personalized suggestion for each farmers because it is outcome is based upon his activities only. By also we can using this past year's activity can produce a comprehensive dashboard for government or agri suppliers. It's monitor farmers local area farmers growth and they produce where are they from producing from, what are they producing from. It will use benefit additional benefit for local farmers and the local market. And also is helpful to government to keep track of their farmer produce. After recording his activities, he will redirect to the home page. That is how the community section begins. The recommended post and feeds of his page will be framed according to his profile. By the farmer post and feeds will be directed to the local community he is in. That is a pest breakout happens or a crop infection happens. Someone will post that in our community. We will immediately alert the farmer using the push notifications. That is how we maintain building a comprehensive community for farmers is our goal. By it's exactly like a LinkedIn model. By your profile will be offered for job offers and interviews in our LinkedIn. That based on that we are recommending feeds and stories to his community page by his profile. Apart from profiling and communicating, government schemes. How to recommend government schemes? Most of the farming app out there have so much government schemes and options there. He doesn't know where to choose and how to choose. So we are providing the government schemes to him. Load the government schemes issued by Kerala government by via API. Recommended schemes and subsidies by his eligibility. How to determine his eligibility? By using his profile. For verify farmer's farm profile by and his crops and cattle data authenticity using farm survey number, price which will be provided by the government from data.government.in. He also trying to achieve this using government API or partnership. After farmer profile verification, he stores the profile information in the cloud from Firebase cloud, which follows a hashing protocol, SSH protocol, which kept in get safely in our cloud. By he also give a custom notification alerts like there is a rain tomorrow. Be careful on planting. Be careful on watering the crops. Likewise kind of notification will be used. What are the things will be used for that notification is a local weather API data and his activity past activity data. Using that we will give him suggestive notifications. On top of that, there is a smart agri advisor. That is also a main feature. A smart agri advisor is an AI built on top of the data, all the data we are collecting from through this app. This AI supports multiple languages. For now, we are implementing 6 Indian language, 2 global language. It provide contextual guidance and fine tuning for farmer advisory. By example, this data is overall the data by the collecting the overall data, the smart agri advisor will guide the farmer how to use the app and where to apply the schemes. From that to what can you do tomorrow and how can we plant the seeds for a new generation farmer and educative stuff. All are covered in smart agri advice. It's a comprehensive AI built on based on this data set and fine tuned to his needs. Tailored to his needs and by his activities. From that, let me tell the one by one goal solution we achieved. We provide them multi-language support and his native language and give him advice, personalized guidance by his activity and the local data. And on top of that, we give them push notifications and immediate alerts if in case there's a crop disease and a pest outbreak happens locally. And also we give the insights to government and local market, how much the farmer is produced and where are the location this produce happens. It will improve the government's action, immediate action if issuing and fixing MSP minimum support price for farmers, and it will improve the stability of financial stability of the farmers all over India. But specifically targeting Kerala, we are using Malayalam based algorithms and collaborative filtering and natural language processing for his speed recommendations and understanding the slang and language of that. Let me show the demo of our app. This is the activity log screen where the farmer can record and log their activity. The AI will ask what kind of activity they need to record, and by the following reply, translate the text and it will ask the further question. Also extract the keys as I said in the workflow. As you can see, it translating this text and analyzing the text. So what it has and a reply and a follow-up question. Ask a follow-up question. And these logs are stored in the vault. As you can see, all the information and its activities he can see by himself. What kind of activities lost up to days. What kind of activity he recorded as it shows in the app. After recording and logging the activities, is a community post site where users can post their growth and some insights, share their feedbacks, and the AI, so for Smart Agri Advisor AI. In that, there's a WhatsApp-like messaging system for dual chat communication. The language features are like Hindi, Malayalam, and all the 8 Indian languages are implemented in this app. And the scheme application section where the user can apply scheme. It is also inbuilt with the language and speak support. He can see what are the scheme he is eligible for filtered by his profile. And while applying, the information are automatically loaded from his profile and his vault. The vault where he stores his Aadhaar card and other documents. Whenever he need to apply for a scheme, he can the document is fetched from his vault. And you can see current market analysis of fruits and vegetables in his locality using global data. And that's a smart agri advisor app and access to all this data. It can give a comprehensive reply to and guidance, and the push notification features are currently implemented. So that's all overall UI and structure of our app. Thank you.